Definite integrals, part 13.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Find the area enclosed between the curves y is equal to x square plus 1, y is equal to 2x minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. So, here given curves y is equal to x square plus 1. This is equation 1. And y is equal to 2x minus 2. This is equation 2. So here x values are minus 1, 2. Okay. Now we have to draw the graphs of equation 1 and equation 2. So consider the coordinate axis. So here first one, y is equal to x square plus 1. So here y is equal to x square plus 1. So this can be written as x minus 0 whole square is equals to y minus 1. So clear it in the form of x minus h whole square is equals to 4a into y minus k. So it represents parabola whose center is what? 0, 1. This is the center of the parabola. So 0, 1 is the center of the parabola. This one. Okay. And it in the form of x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. So clearly this parabola opens positive y-axis side. So like this. Now y is equals to 2x minus 2, second one. So y is equals to 2x minus 2. So from this 2x minus y is equals to 2. So x by 1 plus y by minus 2 is equals to 1. So clearly x intercept is 1 and y intercept is minus 2. So clearly points are 1, 0 and 0, minus 2. Now equating these two, 2x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1. Okay. Now this is what? X square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So clearly what are the roots? See here, find delta b square. 4 minus 4ac to b. So it is less than 0. So clearly your roots are complex numbers. Okay? So clearly the curve and line does not touches. So clearly this is the graph of y is equals to x minus 2. So here this line is y is equals to 2x minus 2. And see here x is equals to minus 1. So substitute here x is equals to minus 1. See here if x is equals to minus 1. So what is the y value? 2. So clearly minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. This one. So this is x is equals to minus 1 line. So clearly this line is x is equals to minus 1. So next one, if x is equals to 2, substitute here y value is 5. Okay. So 2, 5. So here. So this is the which line? This is x is equals to 2 line. Okay. Now see here you need to find the area of this. Okay. So clearly limits are what? Minus 1 to 2. See here therefore the required area is a is equals to integral minus 1 to 2. So what is the upper curve? So clearly this is the upper curve. The curve is y is equal to x square plus 1. So here upper curve minus lower curve. So write as x square plus 1 minus lower curve is 2x minus 2 dx. Now clearly this is what? Integration minus 1 to 2 x square minus 2x 1 plus 2 plus 3 dx. Now integrating separately, this is integral minus 1 to 2 x square dx minus 2 into integral minus 1 to 2 x dx plus 3 into integral minus 1 to 2 1 dx. You know that integration of x square formula, x cube by 3 within the limits minus 1 to 2 minus 2 into integration of x formula, it is x square by 2 within the limits minus 1 to 2 plus 3 into integration of 1 dx, that is x within the limits minus 1 to 2. So clearly apply the upper limit first. 2 cube 8 by 3. In between minus. So apply the lower limit. Minus 1 cube by 3. So you will get plus 1 by 3. So minus 2 into. Apply the upper limit. 2 square 4 by 2. You will get 2 minus. Apply the lower limit. Minus 1 whole square by 2. That is 1 by 2. So plus 3 into 2 plus 1. So 8 plus 1, 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. Minus 2 into 4 minus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Plus 3 into 3. So clear, this is 9 square units. So this is the required answer. So see the second one. Show that the area enclosed between the curves y square equal to 12 into x plus 3 and y square equal to 20 into 5 minus x is 64 root 5 by 3 square units. So see our given curves. Y square is equals to 12 into x plus 3 and y square is equals 20 into 5 minus x. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now you need to find the point of intersection of two curves. So equating these two, you will get 12 into x plus 3 is equals to 20 into 5 minus x. Okay. So 4 3 are 4 5. So this is 3x plus 9 is equals 25 minus 5x. So 5 plus 3, 8x is equals 25 minus 9, 16. So from this x value is 2. Now substitute here. So from equation 1, y square is equals to 12 into 2 plus 3, 5. So this is 60. So clearly y is equals to plus or minus 2 root 15. Okay. So therefore the points of intersections are, one is 2 comma 2 root 15, suppose that is A, and B 2 comma minus 2 root 15. So these two are the point of intersection. Now we have to draw the graphs of equation 1 and equation 2. So for that consider the coordinate axis. So see here first one, y square is equals to 12 into x plus 3. So this can be written as y minus 0 whole square is equals to 12 into x minus of minus 3. So clearly it represents parabola whose center is minus 3 comma 0. So clearly minus 3 comma 0 is the center of the parabola. Clearly it in the form of y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus x. So it represents parabola and this parabola opens positive x-axis set. So this one. So clearly point of intersection of 1 and 2. 2 comma 2 root 15, 2 comma minus 2 root 15. Suppose this is 2 comma 2 root 15 and this is 2 comma minus 2 root 15. Now second one, y square is equals to 20 into 5 minus x. Again this can be written as y minus 0 whole square equals minus 20 into x minus 5. So center of this parabola is 5 comma 0. So clearly in the form of y minus k whole square equal to minus 4 into x minus x. So it represents parabola and this parabola opens negative x-axis set and center is 5 comma 0. And these two are the point of intersection of two curves. So this parabola is what? Second parabola and this is first parabola. Okay. Now you need to find this area. So clearly this point of intersections are what? 2 comma 2 root 15 and this one 2 comma minus 2 root 15. Okay. Now here take y coordinates as limits, that is minus 2 root 15 comma 2 root 15. So see here, therefore the required area is A is equals to integral minus 2 root 15 to 2 root 15. So what is the x of the right curve? This is the x of the right curve. So clear, that is equation 2. This one. So from this we need to write x value. So because of here the limits are y coordinates. Now see here clearly from equation 1 y square by 12 minus 3 is equals to x, and from equation 2 y square by 20 is equals to 5 minus x, x is equals to 5 minus y square by 20. So clearly the required area is x of the right curve, that is equation 2. So clearly 5 minus y square by 20 minus x of the left curve, that is what? Equation 1. So y square by 12 minus 3 dy. So clear, this is what? Minus 2 root 15 to 2 root 15. See here 5 minus of minus 5 plus 3 is 8 minus y square by 20 minus y square by 12 minus y square by 20 plus y square by 12. So dy. Now this is 8 into integral minus 2 root 15 to 2 root 15 1 dy minus integral within the limits minus 2 root 15 to 2 root 15. So clearly your LCM is 60. So 5y square plus 3y square, you will get 8y square dy. Okay. Now again this is 8 into integration of 1 dy, that is y within the limits minus 2 root 15 to 2 root 15, and here minus 8 by 60, that is 2 by 15, integration of y square, that is y cube by 3 within the limits minus 2 root 15 to 2 root 15. Now this is apply the upper limit first, 2 root 15 minus of lower limit, again you will get minus, that is plus 2 root 15. So minus 2 by 15 into 3 45. So y cube. So apply the upper limit, 2 root 15 whole cube minus apply the lower limit, 2 root 15 whole cube. Okay. So here you will get minus into minus plus. So clear, this is 2 root 15 plus 2 root 15, 4 root 15, 8 into 4, 32 root 15. So this is 2 by 45 into, this is 2 times of 2 root 15 whole cube. Now this is 32 root 15 minus 2 into 2, 4 by 45. This is 2 cube, 8. So root 15 whole cube. So clear, that is 15 root 15. So 15 1 ja, 15 3 ja. So clear, this is 3 into 32, that is 96 root 15 minus 32 root 15. So divide by 3. So 96 minus 32, 64 root 15 by 3. So this is also can be written as 64 root 5 by 3 square units. Okay. So clearly this is the required answer. So that one is 64 root 5 by 3 square units. So see the question number 3. Find the area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, and also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So see here solution, given ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Okay. Now draw the graph of ellipse. So consider the coordinate axis. This is x and y axis. So clearly this is the given ellipse. So this is a comma 0 and this is minus a comma 0. and this is b 0 comma b, and this is b 0 comma minus b. So you need to find this area. Clearly total area is 4 times of this, because of all areas 1 2 3 4, these 4 areas are equal, so therefore this can be taken as 4 times of this area. Okay, so here given curve is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So from this y square by b square is equals to 1 minus x square by a square, and again y square is equals to b square by a square into a square minus x square. Now what is y value? B by a, square root of a square minus x square. So this is y value. Now therefore the required area. So clearly integral 0 to a. So take x coordinates as limits. So that is integral 0 to a. So it is the upper curve here. So clearly this one line ellipse line. So that is b by a, square root of a square minus x square. Here lower curve is x, y is equals to 0. So minus 0 only. So same minus 0. Again we will get this one. So write simply dx. Now this is what? B by a into square integral 0 to a, square root of a square minus x square dx. You know that integration of square root of a square minus x square form. So see here, this is b by a into, so integration of square root of a square minus x square dx is what? X by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. So within the limits 0 to a, and apply the upper limit first, that is b by a. So a by 2 square root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a, minus lower limit. So 0 by 2 into something 0 and plus a square by 2 sin inverse 0 by a, that is 0. So this is b by a into, so this is 0, a square by 2, so here sin inverse 1, that is pi by 2. So a square by 2 into pi by 2, this is 0. So 1a get cancelled, this is pi ab by 4. So therefore the total area is equals to what? 4 times of pi ab by 4. So clear, this is required area OAB. Okay, this one only. So therefore total area, so 4 times of this area, so we will get pi AB. Okay. If A is equals to B, then clearly this ellipse represents a circle. Then equation 1, so this one represents a circle right here whose equation is x square plus y square is equals to a square. Therefore area is pi AB. Here a is equals to b, so pi a square. This is the area of the circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. So try to solve this question. So for next session we will discuss new chapter.